Shout out to Lexland. Thank you guys for sending me this step. This is a retractable bed step for the 24 Tacoma. This is going to become useful whenever I'm trying to step into the bed of the truck because it sits about right here. This is what you get in the box. The retractable portion of the step. You get the actual step that'll mount right there. They give you the hardware as well. I believe they give you instructions as well. More bubble wrap. And this is going to be the bracket that mounts onto your frame of the truck. And this mounts on top like this. So install's pretty simple. You're gonna need a 14mm wrench, ratcheting, a 12mm deep socket, 14mm deep socket, and you're also gonna need a star bit to get this mounted onto your arm. I'm not certain of the actual size of this. I just have this kit from Klein Tools. I use this about on everything. Shout out to them. They make some pretty good tools. And lastly, a 1/4-inch impact driver. You can use a 1/4-inch ratcheting screwdriver if you have it. Either one works. We're just using this to secure this onto this. All right, so I'm gonna cut this off, put that in the box. This is the hardware that you are supplied with. 3 bolts that'll go into the frame of the truck. 3 bolts that'll mount your bracket to your retractable step. And 3 screws that'll secure your step onto your retractable arm. I know I call this a step, but it's your arm. Yeah, I'm good on that. So your 3 holes should line up. Grab your 3 screws from your hardware kit. Get them all into place. All right, so your arm should look like this with your step onto it. It looks a little something like that. Next up, we're gonna put your bracket onto your arm. Sorry, that was loud. These are going to use the smaller bolts. Don't use the bigger ones. Clearly they won't fit, but these will use the smaller bolts that you have that are 12mm head. And I'm gonna show you where we're mounting down here. All right, we are now in the area of the frame that I was pointing to earlier. These are the 3 holes you will be using to mount your arm. So keep in mind, top left corner, we are gonna put in very partially. And that is because this portion right here needs to be slid up over the bolt like so. The nice thing about this is they're already threaded, so you don't need a nut on the other side. And I am aware that if you do have tow hooks back here, you're gonna have to take off the tow hook. If you do want to run this and your tow hook as well, there's a relocation kit. I think it's made by 6 Element. I'd recommend that if you want to run this step and your tow hooks. But if you don't have tow hooks and you don't really plan on running tow hooks, then you have nothing to worry about. You want to leave about 1/2 inch, a little over 1/2 inch of space between your frame and the head of the bolt, just so you can slide this up and through. Okay, like I did before, extend out your arm. That way you can have access. That way you have clearance to put that in. Once you have your bolt started, you can go ahead and hold this down just a little bit. Get your impact, run this bottom one down. So we just ran this bolt down, the bottom bolt. Those top 2 are gonna need to be run down by a wrench. And just go over every single one of your bolts, make sure they're nice and tight, and then you should be good. Nice. And this is what it should look like. It's nice up, out of the way. It's not lower than your current frame, and it's definitely not lower than your spare tire. Nice thing about this is you can kick it down, kick it right back up. You can just put your foot up here, support yourself on your bed, get up, and you can finally grab yourself a nice cold beer. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Lexland, for sending me this product. Super awesome product. Easy install. It took me like less than 10 minutes. Just want to go over the truck real quick. I recently installed this third brake light from Meso Customs, and I got 2 Baja Designs wide angle pod lights. Super bright. Supposed to be a chase light setup, but I mean, it helps at night when you're camping. I just recently went camping, that's why the truck's dirty. Those 2 on the side are combo lenses, so they shoot pretty far. I'm gonna have to change those out soon for wide angle lenses because they just blind people. If you wanna grab one of these from Lexland, go ahead, click the link in the bottom below. Use my code, I'll put that on screen right now, and I'll also put it in the description. You get yourself 20% off. And quite honestly, this thing's pretty awesome. I like it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos, and I appreciate the support. And then shout out to Lexland.